Hello. Thanks for dropping in. Oh, I left this 64 with this power supply testing for a lot longer than I had in mind. I just got wrapped up in other things. So it's essentially been running, let's see, oh, maybe about 26 hours, maybe 27 or so. Indeed. Indeed. So, without further monkeying about, I will feel it. And yes, I feel the heat. I do. So I have the 5-volt side tester here, and I want to see how high is it. I will turn the 64 off. I will pull this out. I will put it in. 5.12. So it really doesn't look like it has moved much at all, and that is, of course, what we want to see. Lovely. Very lovely. So, no point in leaving that there. This one, this is the one that after having a look, it's very filthy, it's very dirty. I discovered there's a slight blemish on the insulation, or just, whatever. But no damage to the actual wires. So I will not send this one out to the world anywhere. I will probably clean it up and use it for myself. Also, it has the voltage is a little bit lower than some of the others, but certainly workable. All right, here we have another power supply, which I did already test. I tested it cold. I tested it, after it had been plugged in for a while, but I have not. And I have, checked it on this 64, but I haven't given it the burn in. Not yet. So, once again, we'll plug in 5.23, 5.24. Looks good. So, we'll plug it on in. We'll turn on the 64, put this over here. The 64 comes up. We will poke 53280, comma 0. And we will poke 53281, comma 0. We'll change the color to white, and we'll print world of Commodore space quote semicolon colon go to 10. Except I missed a little something there. World of Commodore go to 10. Run. Yay. No need to worry yet about missing the World of Commodore, because it's typically the first weekend in December of each year. So, maybe when I go downstairs, I will take the manual and the recipes for this Black & Decker air fry toaster oven. Heard much about these things? Never tinkered with them before. It does have a rather short cord on it. It's funny, how sometimes people are weird about extension cords. Like this does have a short cord. And I remember I knew someone, they had the location of the plug for their fridge was okay, but the fridge cord was either on the wrong side or not long enough or whatever it was. So they got a really, like a fairly short, but good gauge extension cord, put it on there, but then one other friend came along and said, "Oh, you can't do that. You got to rent a whole other thing and put in another box and da, 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 da." So of course he did that, but really, oh, by the way, at great expense. But it would have been fine with the like 3 foot heavy duty um, thick wired extension, 3-prong plug. Everything would have been fine. Would have been just fine. And as, of course, the place that this all happened was a place that was rented, it was like giving the landlord a free upgrade for this sake of this short cord. Anyway, this, I wish it had a longer cord, because where I had thought I would put it, I don't think this cord will reach. I don't. Oh well. Anyway, so this 64 now will test. I now have 2 tested, although ugly, dirty power supplies. And maybe in the next video I'll take to try to clean them up a bit. Maybe, possibly. The cords, I mean, I guess I'll put some cleaner on, water and some kind of cleaner on like a towel or something, and kind of just pull the cords through, and the rest of it, I'll give it a rub down, but certainly for the ridges, on the one that has the ridges, or I guess these two both have ridges, some kind of a brush and something. And then, of course, I'll let them dry thoroughly. Not that I'm going to get water into them because they're all sealed, but certainly I don't want to risk any silliness. I don't.
That was easy.
Anyway, so I will let this do its thing, and we'll see what else. At the moment, I am going to go back to working in the pool room, which is where I first originally started to film, but I'm decided that I might actually like to play a game of pool. This will take some time. This will take some doing, and, you know, but if I don't start, I can't finish. So, let the burn-in continue. Thanks so much for being here. We will meet again. Bye for now.